Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Panasonic CF-33, and now I'm gonna show you how to open BIOS without external keyboard on this device. So, to do it, firstly, you need to press and hold A2 button. Then press and hold power button. Wait a while until all lamps will be disabled. Then release power button. Wait for about 2-3 seconds, but not release the A2 button. Then press and hold power button and release when lamps will appear as will light. And wait a while. And great, that's it. Now we are in the BIOS. Here, as you can see, the touch screen is working, so all is good here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.